In today, I'm going to show you how to remove background from video in Adobe After Effects. I will leave the video on the timeline. Here is the normal video clips. Now I will play the video. From here, this Roto brush will also go to the brush option and turn it on and come to the video and double click. Then select the subject. I will continue to do this until it is shortened. See if this plays out of the subject. To fix it, we'll press Alt on the keyboard and bring it to the subject. See that it is selected. Then we turn it on and give it to the rendering. This will take some time. Once that it is complete, we will come to the composition and see here the background is removed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.